trailhead of the Captain Cook Memorial Walk, 380 metres above sea level down to the ocean. So we'll see how we go. Stuck in the trail. Not too bad at the top. Still got a fair bit of tree cover, so the sun's starting to come out now. Some trees, but pretty well disappearing. There's the ocean. 150 meters to go down, maybe a bit more, maybe 200. The sun's well and truly out. It's looking good, bud. Trail's still going down. Just the oil's down there somewhere. To go back along the edge of the under cliff, there beside under the cliff we just come down. Come back into some tree cover here, halfway down. Good shade when I'm coming back up. Yeah, it's just the local. They love it up here. Back into the bush. Not that far I can hear the ocean, so just hanging around on the wall. Hey buddy. Looks like the beach down there. Just to beach and a launch. Outside, that's the cliff I come down. There's the bay. It'll be full of snorkelers soon. Sort of ruins of something. Maybe ruins of the old Hawaiian homes that were here before. Must have been a village here. The story goes about his demise, Captain Cook, on the 14th of February 1779. They were trading. The tribesmen went out to the boat, stole a heap of iron nails to make tools from. They thought it was part of the trade. Cook got angry. He decided to kidnap the local chief of the village. Locals thought he was a god because he was so white. Kidnapped him, trying to get the nails back. The local witch doctor decided to test the theory whether he was a god or not. Smacked him over the head with a club. And when he was knocked out, they all realised he was not a god. But he was treated as a chief. So he was buried as the chiefs would have been buried by boiling. I feel humbled as an Australian. I have sort of mixed feelings, really. I mean, they're saying he discovered these islands and discovered Australia, but they were already discovered. The door for modernisation and white settlement in both countries. It's had its good and bad. So, he was a great man. Here's a beautiful spot. Some tourists are starting to turn up boats. Scuba diving here and snorkeling is pretty good. So I found the spot. This is the exact spot where we just built. It's a beautiful spot. It's coral reef. I mean, if you're gonna go, you might as well go here. volcanic rocks and water are slippery. Time to start trekking back up the hill. 28, 29 now. So need to get back up there before the real heat hits. There's a nice big cloud just covering the sun for me while I'm in the exposed area. Can't stop looking at it. Still climbing. Still the gods are good to me by covering the sun with the cloud in this bit of the trek. Come up a long way already. Marker 5, and I'm just about to go back into the tree cover. And I'll have a drink when I get into the trees. There's a mongoose flipping around. Back in the tree covered area. It's getting hot, but didn't do many videos coming up because I was busy coming up. But it's not so much the climb that gets you, it's the humidity. It's quite hot, even though it's not really. Anyway, did it, made it. For it. See you. This is from the other side of the bay. There's the good forward down. And this is the King's Palace, or what's left of it. Just here.